Hi everyone, this is Jed Schlackman. I'm a holistic counselor and spiritual energy healer. In this clip I'm going to speak a little bit about acupuncture and acupressure and how it can actually be applied without any pressure per se, without a physical touch stimulus or needle. It can be done energetically using different forms of electromagnetic energy. Traditionally, people have worked with needles to do the acupuncture treatments, and that's why it's called acupuncture, because a very fine needle is puncturing the skin to apply pressure to that specific point on the energy meridian. Now, the meridians are an energetic concept or construct. They're actual energy circuits that run through the body. They've been known about in ancient Chinese medicine for thousands of years, and now we have modern technology that can test the electrical field of our body and which validates the existence of those meridians. So when we have different issues going on, whether it's emotional or physical, it often involves some type of disruption to the energy flow in particular meridians. And one method of promoting healing is to help rebalance that energy flow through using a stimulus applied to the meridians. So you of course can use needles as an acupuncture physician would do. However, there are many people who are not comfortable with having needles placed on their body. So for those individuals, there are other options, other forms of acupressure per se, that can be used to facilitate the same effects or benefits. So one method is what's called ElectroAcupuncture or electronic acupuncture, where an electrical current is used. And I'm going to show you a little device here that's an electroacupuncture device. So this is something that you could use to apply electrical current. So you can see the tip. So that tip can be placed against any point on the body, but you could even have it just very close to the skin without touching, and once the electrical current is activated, the body will receive that current. Now, if we look at the control knobs on this, you'll see that there's a knob for hertz. So hertz is the measure of frequency. So electricity has a frequency, and you can lower or increase the intensity of that current. You can use different frequencies. And so with acupuncture, besides electroacupuncture, you can also use sound frequencies and light frequencies. So there's a lot of laser acupuncture being used nowadays, and there you're just using a cold laser light, and that light is being focused on particular points on the acupuncture meridians. The same thing can be done with sound. You can direct sound vibration into those meridian points. As a sound healer, I sometimes will work with tuning forks, and tuning forks can focus sound, so they can be placed upon a meridian point. So we have these different alternatives that can be used to help rebalance the meridian system. Sound vibration, light vibration, electromagnetic vibration. These are all forms of energy healing or energy medicine they're all very safe, so there's no chemical that's ingested. There's nothing that's continuing to act in the body once you've removed that stimulus. So this form of healing, energy healing, has that safety element compared to pharmaceutical medicine, where you're ingesting some type of chemical, and once it's in the body, it's going to take a while for the body to break it down and eliminate it. For those that are interested in holistic health and spiritual healing, in mind-body well-being, I invite you to view some more of my YouTube videos. You can also visit my website, phinsights.com. That's phinsights.com. You can learn more there about individual and group healing resources that I provide. My contact information is there in case you have any specific questions. For now, I would like to wish each of you a wonderful day. Namaste.